This is my first time air layering mulberry. This is a Pakistan mulberry. So I was gonna cut this branch off anyway, and then I'm like, you know what? Let me try my luck at air layering it. So let's see what we got here. I'm just gonna cut this off. So now I'm gonna put it in this pot here. See what we got. Oh yeah, this is not bad. It's not bad at all. You just have to be gentle with this. Let me see if it's yeah, that should be good. As you could see, I wrapped it in the cellophane wrap here, and this is to prevent all the water from getting out as fast, so it keeps it nice and moist. And then last week I just poked the syringe right here, added some more water, and this has been about 5 weeks. Okay, so I removed the cellophane wrap. Now you gotta gently open this up. Oh yeah. Yes. There we go. Try to keep the roots together. How nice that is. And what I like about it, you see that little stump that's hanging out? That actually is also good to kind of anchor it in when you put it in. It kind of anchors it in for you. Pack that in, water it, and I'm gonna put more water here just to show you guys what I'm doing. This is what I've been told. And then what you want to do is remove some of the leaves and put it in shade for like a month or so. Put it in shade. So I'm gonna get rid of these leaves since they're all messed up anyway. That should be good. Oh. And now I'm just going to anchor it with this. And as you can see, I'm pretty much reusing a lot of stuff. This pot is from something I bought. This was also anchoring a tree that I planted. So I'm just reusing a bunch of stuff here. About there. you guys posted on this. I'm just gonna put this in a shady spot, keep it watered. I don't know, probably every day or so, just to kind of keep it moist, and check back with you in a month or two. Take care.